Hello my lovely kids, welcome to Bright Career Zone. Today we will learn the names of dry fruits both in Hindi and English. So let's start it. Cashew nut means kaju. Almonds means badam. Pistachio means pista. Walnut means akhrot. Raisins means kishmish. Dates means khajur. Apricot means khubani. Foxnuts means makhana. Chestnut means shahbalut. Fig means anjeer. Flax seeds means अलसी के बीज. Saffron means केसर. Pumpkin seeds means कद्दू के बीज. Poppy seeds means पोस्ता दाना. Thanks for watching. If you really like my video, then please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and family members. I will always come with this kind of educational video. Bye bye. Love you all my kids.